Welcome to solverfy.
All right, so for this textbook question, it wants you to make a histogram, a frequency polygon, and an ogive for the data. So for this problem, in order to make a histogram, so I'm going to make my histogram. So in order to make a histogram in Excel, which I was told that I can show you how to do in Excel, based off the last questions. What I do is I go to recommended charts, and they always have a bar chart. And if I double click on the bar chart, I can go to gap width and then close the gap width. Then, so I'm going to type in that this is the histogram. Okay. And I'm just going to spread this out a little bit so that way my numbers aren't so bunched together. Then I'm going to move this over because the next thing that I need to do is I need to figure out the midpoints. And so for the midpoints, I'm going to add up 1 plus 43. Oh, actually I can do it on here. So I'm going to hit the equal sign and then 1 plus, and then in parentheses 1 plus 43, and then I'm going to divide that by 2, and that's 22. And I'm just going to put everything in the center and box it off so it looks nice and neat. Then equals, in parentheses, 44 plus 86, close my parenthesis, and divide by 2. That's 65. Then equals, and close my parenthesis, 87 plus 129, divide by 2, then equals 130 plus 172, divide by 2. Then I have equals 173 plus 215, divide by 2. Then equals, in my parentheses, 216 plus 258, and then divide by 2. And then I have, equals 259 plus 301, close my parenthesis, divide by 2. And for the last one, in parentheses, 302 plus 344, divide by 2. And there we go. So there's my midpoints. And then I need to find the relative frequency. And I'm just going to box this off and center it. Center, box it off. I'm also going to wrap that. And then I'm going to also end up having to find the cumulative frequency. And I'm going to wrap this, make it a little bit bigger, and close it off. Okay, so relative frequency. You're going to hit the equal sign, and then you're going to do the frequency divided by 50. So 24 divided by 50. And then if I drag this down, it'll do 17 divided by 50, 3 divided by 50, 4 divided by 50, and so on and so forth. I'm just going to go out 2 decimal places. Okay. Then for the cumulative frequency, I'm going to hit equal sign. Then I'm going to hit 48, and that one equals 48. Then equal sign, this number plus this number, and hit enter. And now if I drag it down, it'll add up all of those relative frequencies in sequential order. Then I'm going to add up my relative frequency, make sure I get 1, because then I know that there's no error in my formula. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bold this, and I'm going to make my frequency polygon. So that's when I take my midpoints and my relative frequency, I highlight it, I click on insert, and then recommended charts, and look, it does it for you. So this is my frequency polygon. And then to get my ogive, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two first, okay? And I'm going to go to here, but then I'm going to change this to the cumulative frequency. So there we go. And this is my ogive. And so there is my histogram, my ogive, and my frequency polygon. So I hope that this video helps you. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.